We already had a look on the math functions, right? We have gone through few calculations on the logarithm, round number, square root, minimum number between two maximum numbers, and etc. So this time around, let's look into the booleans. Like in any programming language, booleans are used to identify whether the conditions are like true or false. Basically there are two states, on or off, true or false, or yes or no. So C++ also has a boolean data type which is identified as a bool keyword, and which can take two values, true, that is 1, or false, 0. So Boolean variable is obviously declared with the bool keyword and can only take values true or false, and it basically gives 1 or 0, 1 for true and 0 for false. Let's try it. Here are a few example. You can see here, bull is coding fun, true, is fish tasty, false. So while declaring variable, we basically give a declarative name, which is easy to understand and which at least makes sense. So this is how we declare variables, and if we print these two variables, then we'll get 1 in case of true, and 0 wherever we have assigned false. So for is coding one, you can see here, you can 1 is the result, and for is first testy, this is false, so we are getting 0 here. So that is super simple. Now let's go into boolean expression. Basically booleans are used in if conditions, statements, in order to determine which code block to execute. So this is just if there are a few examples, the expressions are just basically there will be comparison operator. Based on the comparison, based on the different conditions, this is the condition and this is the statement, so we'll be using this boolean expressions more in the conditionals, or switch cases, or inside loops. The use case of these boolean expressions are this like is on the comparison operator. It comes along with the comparison operator, such as greater than, less than, equal to, or not equal to, or there may be many instances. So basically we can use this and the switch statements if else conditions. We'll try that, but before that, let's try a few example. Let me print that booleans booleans.cpp, and then print it 1. And then for this conditionals, we will see all of them in the conditionals, like if else section. Okay, so let's run and debug, and we should get okay, what is the error? Why are you getting this one? Okay, run and debug. I should get the result. Okay, when here finally we get the result 1 and 0. So it is super simple. We'll see conditionals in next chapter.